Let's create primitive objects, a circle, rectangle, and ellipse. Let's change the perspective here. Let's create a circle. Enable dynamic input. And select the center of circle. -40. Next, you can specify the radius of the circle. We've created a circle. Let's see it from this perspective now. Now let's create a rectangle. Disable dynamic input. Here we set the height as 10 and the width as 20 for the rectangle. Let's also create an ellipse. Now we're creating the major axis of the ellipse. Next, we specify the minor axis. These are the parameters of the ellipse. We've created an ellipse, a circle, and a rectangle. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that these objects are arbitrarily oriented. These objects have slight differences in their properties. Objects created with these tools have their specific type. And you can modify them back here if necessary. They are actually polylines, but after creation, they maintain their type. If you need to change them, you can do so directly by clicking this button. After making any changes to a shape, it will be automatically converted into polylines. And then you can no longer use, for example, this button here. The rectangle has now been converted into a polyline, and the button disappears. So now it's like a regular polyline, and we can interactively modify it here. Note that since we created them in a different layer, if necessary, we can make this layer invisible and hide it.